Alright, so this is what the button, this is the modified Dorman button. This is what it looks like removed from the vehicle. You've got two clips on the back, you've got two clips on the front, and you've got recesses inside there for those clips. To open the button, you've got these tabs here. And you've got a matching set on the other side. You just stick a screwdriver in and they'll pop open. Clips apart, you can just push the two halves of the button apart. There's the rubber half, there's the button half. And again, the button just pries open. Like that. Now, you've got a metal contact, and you've got the two lines in there. To test if your button's bad, you just short these two together with something like a paper clip or other wiry thing. Let me see if I got one. Non-insulated longer screwdriver. To test if it's your button, if you make contact between that one and this one, you can hear my latch tripping. Therefore, my button somewhere could be dirty. Get all that cleaned up. I refilled the entire thing with dielectric grease, which is what all that schmoo is you're seeing. That seems to have helped. But tear it apart, file it down, ground those two out. That's your way in for an emergency fix. And then clean it up, snap it back together. Well, you should note there's two halves to this thing. There's one that's got a little tab and one that's got a really long tab. The long tab goes in one side, and the spring has a retainer on both the button and the clip. So you basically line it up like this, and then you can push it together, click, and now the button's working. And for final assembly, this rubber boot is what I've typically stolen from the Dorman ones because they're what fails. And you just take this, you snap it back together, and then you finagle your wires in there. This is a full Dorman boot, or full Dorman button actually. You can see the blob of solder and everything that I used to bypass it. And tucked up inside there is a 1.2 or 1,500 ohm resistor pack, which is used to keep this in check. And it pops into place. The Dorman one is poor quality, so it doesn't quite fit right, hence all the duct tape residue. I peeled the duct tape off so that I can replace it because it was starting to fall off anyway.